get them.
U.S. releases footage of a drone crash with a Russian jet over the Black Sea. Ooh. Whoa. Gadoosh. On Tuesday, a Russian Su-27 aircraft slammed into the propeller of a U.S. Air Force MQ-9 drone over the Black Sea.
They're like, hey, why'd you do that?
No, it's definitely more beef than that. They're like, that was an act of aggression, and now it's politicians in suits and
this was intentional
podiums, and well, why's it always got to go that way? Why is it always got to be like that? 2 days ago, the U.S. Armed Forces claimed that a Russian Su-27 aircraft crashed into a U.S. Air Force MQ-9 drone over the Black Sea, causing the MQ-9 to fall into the water below. Today, U.S. European Command has released declassified footage of the incident. The report from U.S. European Command said that the crash happened at 7:03 a.m. Central European Time. Further claimed it was conducting routine operations in international airspace and that Russia's intercept was an unsafe and unprofessional intercept. You see the language?
So you can kind of see here the plane actually hits it, but then the plane comes back around and hits it again.
What?
And then that's when it damages the U.S. Plane propeller, and then it goes down.
So the plane is actually engaging in trying to knock it out of the air?
Yeah.
Without shooting it?
Instead of shooting it, yeah.
Because
you kind of see the propeller here. It's bent now, and then that's the end of the footage.
Whoa, weird.
Yeah.
So I guess if it uses the
risky,
I guess if it uses the weapon, then it's war. But if it just bumps into it, it was an accident. Maybe some military person could explain this to me. Our MQ-9 aircraft was conducting routine operations in international airspace when it was intercepted and hit by a Russian aircraft, resulting in a crash and complete loss of the MQ-9. At a press conference later that day, Pentagon Press Secretary Pat Ryder was initially wishy-washy over where exactly the crash occurred, reiterating that it was in international airspace, but later confirmed that it wasn't anywhere near Ukraine at the time. Well, I mean, depends what your consideration of near is. The U.S. had plans of retrieving the drone from the Black Sea. Weird story. Wait, just let me get the one other paragraph there. It can be seen approaching the drone's starboard side, according to U.S. Armed Forces, dumping fuel before slamming into the MQ-9. Weird. Okay. Well, I mean, neither you nor I can really figure out why it would want to do this, but yeah, dumping fuel too.
But even then, the Russian pilot is kind of risk-taking, damaging their plane.
Of course.
Yeah.
Sometimes you think hit a bird and have a problem, never mind an actual drone.
Yeah, very curious. Hopefully we get an update.
Very curious.
All right.
Where's all the military folks at in the chat? Come on, help me out here.